I have formed this company by the name Unisync, and the tagline defines the purpose of this company, which says enhancing perspectives. So, a psychologist or anyone, any doctor has many roles to play in life of the clients or situations they come across. For me, I have defined the path where I will only interact with a client to enhance their perspectives on their current life situations. So I have practiced with IMAS in the hospital. I've seen the clinical population, and I have seen kids also in different sectors. What interests me is to connect with the layman and help them benefit and realize the potential of their current life situations by enhancing their knowledge on the current circumstances and how to better interact and how to take the benefit of the time or the situation you're in, instead of counting it as a stressor or as an opportunity. One should always have an eye to look for a way to move ahead rather than calling it a blockage. So here I will take example today. Two good concepts were created here. One was by Mr. Garg when he was playing the quiz with you all here with the prompt questions he had. It was nothing but just to check your momentary presence in today's meeting. How much are you present right now? We all are here, but how much of you have actually listened and retained and are able to recreate? That shows your momentary presence. So what we are lacking in today's time is exactly this, that we are getting away from giving ourselves this kind of knowledge and or opportunity to be present right now. May it not be important for you, and it's not going to help you, take away your day. Let's say after this meeting, that question would have no importance. But for you to experience this in the moment will have a lot of value. So one is that, and one Mr. Rahul, when he played that PPT for the children where the suicide rates are going high and kids are not able to better regulate stress at their own age, at different ages. So yes, this is remarkably one of the very important points to be addressed. A lot of schools and a lot of institutions where kids are involved are seeing a lot of increase in hiring consultants, coaches, and counselors for that matter to help their kids become better to be able to handle the stress. So one such platform I recently connected was Legal Edge, and this is one coaching center which prepares kids for CAT exams, and they saw in their last year's performance that the stress levels were so high that even the high performers were not able to generate the results what the coaching center needed. So which is why they felt the need of reaching out to a counselor or a coach who can benefit the kids by giving, let's say, half an hour a day or maybe few talks here and there to ease out their stress, to become, to learn some certain techniques, small ways. You don't have to do elaborate things to break yourself of the monotony, right? So just simple things, learning small things in the times when you're feeling the stress, how these small techniques are going to give like a rest to your brain and refocus your energies into what you're doing. So this is what I primarily focus on. This is where my interest lies. And a lot of schools you will see these days are reaching out for having a formal counselor and coach. This is where the society holds the need right now. And a lot of, I use this platform also to bring one more clarity on the subject, that how are psychologists different from psychiatrists? So a lot of confusion is there in society over this concept. So breaking it here for you, psychiatrist is a doctor with a formal MD who can prescribe medication for the betterment of a client dealing or having any mental health issues. However, a psychologist is not, you can say he's not done MD, he's not a doctor by the medication name, but they are not treating you medically, they are treating you verbally through therapies, through giving you techniques, better ways of adapting to your lifestyles. So कॉस्ट. जैसे हम कहते हैं कि जब घर में आप ठीक हो सकते हो तो आपको बाहर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. It is the same way. The first step for anyone to take towards mental health is to reach out to a coach, a counselor, or a psychologist before making a step to a psychiatrist. So this is where we as a society need to correct our approach towards the field we're talking. And yes, that's about my practice. And I give, in my practice, I give my 1 hour each day to CSR, as Ranjit ji mentioned.
तालियां
here.
चाहिए